With the arrival of the new energy era, the large SUV market is rapidly expanding. The recently arrived Onvo L90 has captured the attention of many consumers with its wealth of smart features, advanced battery replacement system, and exceptional value. More than 6,400 units were delivered within 20 days of its launch, making it a true bestseller in its segment. Built on NIO's latest NT 3.0 platform, the L90 continues the family's premium design language. Its striking front design, combined with its split headlights, creates a distinctive stance. One of the highlights of our review vehicle is the electric front tailgate, which opens with just 2 touches. With its 240-liter capacity and low, wide opening, the trunk offers exceptional practicality, providing easy access to large items. The smooth side profile, accentuated by the titanium soft gloss finish and double upward swept waistline, creates a sense of both balance and dynamism. The quiet, power-assisted doors, combined with the optional power foot pedal, enhance the vehicle's premium feel while also providing ease of use. The rear end features a wide, robust design with distinct layers. The Star Road Shining, intelligent interactive pixel taillights, comprised of 422 LED beads, not only provide an elegant lighting effect but also enhance the vehicle's overall sense of technology and visual sophistication. The flagship-level wraparound cockpit design features real wood trim on the dashboard, microfiber velour covering the roof, Suzhou embroidery on the door panels and seats, and 16 million color active ambient lighting, creating an overall pleasant look and feel. The cockpit layout is more concise, eliminating the traditional full LCD instrument cluster. Relevant vehicle information is displayed on the 17.2-inch central control screen and the AR HUD augmented reality head-up display, while the flat steering wheel provides a wider driving field of view. In terms of functionality, the evaluation vehicle offers dual 50W air-cooled wireless mobile phone charging plates and 2 USB Type-C charging ports in the center island, and the co-pilot is equipped with a password-protected glove compartment, further enhancing privacy and security. In terms of intelligence, the SkyOS Tianshu operating system and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295P cockpit chip provide a detailed display and smooth, seamless operation. The system also features a built-in AI family companion, Xiao Lu, who supports over 1,630 voice skills, features in-cabin recognition and proactive interaction, and can complete complex tasks like schedule reminders and Q&A via the instruments, further enhancing the intelligent cockpit experience. Furthermore, the 23-speaker sound system and Dolby Atmos support provide a balanced soundscape and an immersive audiovisual experience. In terms of comfort, it is equipped with a partitioned, non-opening sunroof and a physical sunshade, effectively blocking direct sunlight. The seats feature a 13-layer composite structure that provides a soft, secure fit, and fatigue-free ride, even after extended use. All 3 rows are heated, with ventilation and massage functions available in the first 2 rows. The right side of the second row even features a zero-gravity mode, providing a premium experience. The second row is also equipped with a 17.3-inch ceiling-mounted display, an 8-inch control panel, a small table, and an 8.8-liter smart refrigerator, temperature range 0 to 50 degrees Celsius, providing passengers with comfortable and comprehensive care. It is equipped with dual front and rear electric motors producing a total power of 440 kilowatts and 535 Nm of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.7 seconds. Powered by an 85 kWh triple lithium-ion battery, the vehicle can reach a CLTC all-electric range of 570 km. It is equipped with NIO's in-house developed OSD Level 2 driver assistance system, including city and highway pilot assist. We observed a moderate following distance, easily navigated complex traffic and steep curves, and somewhat reduced driver fatigue. However, in some situations, the system's braking and lane change timing can be quite aggressive. To activate the system, press the left scroll wheel on the steering wheel. An icon will appear on the central control display indicating your need. The Xingyun Intelligent Sharing Chassis, consisting of double wishbone and 5-link independent suspensions, is equipped with a 100mm air suspension with extended travel. The vehicle provides adequate support during high-speed cornering, effectively suppressing body roll. Furthermore, the 4D Comfort navigation system effectively filters out minor bumps, providing exceptional ride comfort.